Listen to me. If you are sitting there right now, looking at retirement or already in it, and you are thinking about starting an e-commerce store or a dropshipping business to supplement your income, I want you to pause. I want you to take a deep, clear breath and look at the reality of what you are about to do. You are looking at platforms like Spocket because you've heard it's the solution to your problems. You've heard it's how you sell products online without buying thousands of dollars of inventory up front. But there is one question that is keeping you up at night, one question that is triggering a massive amount of fear in your gut, and that question is, how quickly does Spocket actually ship orders? You are smart to ask this. You are asking this because you know that in today's world, people want their items yesterday. They want that Amazon Prime speed. And your fear? Your fear is that you are going to set up this beautiful store, use your hard-earned retirement savings to fund the software, and then a customer is going to buy something from you, and it's going to take 3, 4, or 5 weeks to arrive from halfway across the world. You are terrified of angry emails, people demanding refunds, chargebacks on your merchant account, and your reputation being ruined before you even get off the ground. You cannot afford to lose your peace of mind or your financial security in this stage of your life. You have worked too hard for your money to let it go down the drain because of bad shipping. So let's answer the question directly, with no sugarcoating and no fluff. How quickly does Spocket ship? On average, when you are utilizing local suppliers within the United States or Europe shipping to customers in those same regions, the actual shipping time is 3 to 7 business days. If you find a supplier located very close to your target customer base, it can be as fast as 1 to 3 business days. But you need to hear me on this, and you need to hear me clearly. Shipping time is not delivery time. This is where so many people get into massive financial trouble because they do not understand the mechanics of the back end. Every single item on Spocket has 2 distinct time frames you must calculate. First, there is the processing time. This is the time it takes for the supplier to look at the order you just passed to them, run a quality control check, pack the item securely into a box, print the shipping label, and physically hand it over to the shipping carrier like UPS or the US Mail. For the vast majority of verified suppliers on Spocket, that processing time takes 1 to 3 business days. Then, and only then, does the shipping clock start ticking. That is the second time frame, which is the actual transit time from the supplier's warehouse to your customer's front door. So, let us do the math together, because the math does not lie. If a product has a processing time of 2 business days and a standard shipping transit time of 3 business days, that is a total of 5 business days. Now, do not make the mistake of thinking 5 business days means 5 calendar days. Weekends do not count. Holidays do not count. So a 5 business day delivery window really means a full 7 calendar days. If a customer orders on a Thursday night, processing happens Friday and Monday. Shipping happens Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That item is arriving a week later. Is that faster than traditional dropshipping apps that ship cheap goods out of China, which can take anywhere from 14 to 45 days? Absolutely, it is significantly faster. Spocket specializes in domestic, local suppliers, which gives you a massive competitive advantage. But is it instantaneous? No, it is not. The danger happens when you let your fear cause you to hide the truth from your customers. You get scared that if you tell them it takes 5 to 7 days, they won't buy. So you say nothing, or you promise overnight delivery when Spocket explicitly does not offer expedited or overnight shipping options as a standard default. When you do that, you are setting yourself up for financial failure. The moment a customer feels misled, they will file a dispute with their credit card company. If you get too many disputes, your payment processor will freeze your funds, hold onto your money, and you will be left paying for products out of your own pocket with no way to access your revenue. In retirement, protection of your principal is rule number 1. You cannot risk your capital on unmanaged expectations. So what is your actionable takeaway today? How do you use this tool safely to build a secure stream of extra income without risking your sanity? First, you must use the filtering tools that Spocket provides. Do not just open the app and pick any product that looks nice. You open the dashboard, and you set the shipping filter strictly to 1 to 3 days or 4 to 7 days. You match the country of the supplier to the country of your customer. If you are selling to people in the United States, you only choose suppliers whose items say ships from the United States. This keeps your supply chain tight, predictable, and fast. Second, you must practice absolute, radical transparency on your storefront. You place the total delivery time, processing plus shipping, clearly on your product pages, your checkout screen, and in your automated post-purchase confirmation emails. If an item takes 7 days to arrive, you tell them it takes 7 days. You will be amazed at how understanding people are when you communicate with them honestly from the very beginning. It completely eliminates the fear of the unknown for both you and your customer. Build your business on a foundation of truth, protect your retirement cash flow by picking local suppliers, and manage your operations with precision. If you do that, you can stand on solid financial ground.